Yan po, good morning. Inom po tayo ng amazing barley. Amazing barley, good for our health, boost energy and prevent all common ailments. Helps to control cholesterol level and prevent diabetes, and also for high blood pressure. Let's drink it. Wow. It's very refreshing. Inom na po kayo. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless. God bless po.